Hello, my name's Eric. I'm on the UC Bass Fishing Club, and this is kind of my first YouTube video. A few things about myself. Obviously, love to fish. Been getting the MTB subscription for a little over a year now, and I really like it. I think it offers a variety of new things to try out, and for how much you pay for it, I believe it's a really good price. A few other things, I like to fish just about anywhere, mostly in Greenville for right now, just kind of around that local area. But we, as a team, go all kinds of places. I've fished Hyco Lake, Falls Lake, I'm going to fish Pickwick for a bass tournament, and then I'm going to fish Lake Seminole for FLW tournament, and then I've got two more that I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But I really love to fish, and I just kind of wanted to introduce myself, get myself out there, see what you guys think. I'm going fishing this weekend. It's probably going to be a little colder than last weekend, and I'm going to fish in the Trent River, and I just wanted to kind of get some feedback from you guys. What do you think I should be using? I know off the top of my head I'm going to be using that I want to use. I'm going to be using a spinnerbait, a wacky rig, maybe a square bill, and a couple other things. But if I have some feedback from you guys, that'd be awesome. I'll post up those videos in a few days whenever I go, and just let me know what you guys think. Thanks for listening.